Crows are among the most intelligent animals on the planet. Did you know that they can recognize themselves in the mirror? But there is so much more to these birds than meets the eye. So here are 10 facts about clever crows that will leave you amazed. Number 10. Talking the talk. Although not as proficient as parrots, crows can mimic human speech to some extent. They can learn around 200 words. Each crow has its own vocabulary based on its experiences and location. Some crows can even say a full sentence. Can you understand what they're saying? Number 9. Tool time! If you've ever seen a crow with a stick in its beak, you might wonder why. Well, these birds use sticks as tools to help them get food. They'll use sticks to probe for insects in the ground or to fish for them in water. They even know which type of stick works best for certain tasks. And they also use sticks to test the waters, so to speak. Before jumping in themselves, they'll toss a stick into the water to see if it floats. If it does, they'll happily jump in after it to retrieve it. If not, they just move on to find another stick. Problem solved. Number 8. Drop it. Crows have figured out that when you put something in a tube, push one end closed and then put the other end over a hook. The only way to get the object out is to drop it. They observed that pushing the object out doesn't work because it gets stuck on the hook. So instead, they simply drop the item and then grab it on the other side. Crows have also figured out that shaking the tube will make objects fall out much easier. Number 7. Planning for the future. Have you ever heard of a crow pantry? These birds will hide food in several places so that they can find it later, and they remember where they hid their stashes. Scientists conducting an experiment found that crows would sometimes wait until the second day to retrieve their food, even if they were hungry enough to eat it on the first day. No? 6. Crows have a great sense of smell, which helps them find food and avoid predators. Their nostrils are located at the base of their beaks, and each nostril has between 10 and 25 scent receptors. These receptors send signals to the olfactory bulb in the crow's brain, which is responsible for processing smells. The crow's sense of smell is so good that they can detect odors from up to 4 miles away. That's why crows are often the first to find a dead animal and then gather in large numbers to feed on it. No. 5. Not just black. Although many people think of crows as being black birds, they actually come in a variety of colors. There are brown crows, red-billed crows, and even white-throated crows. In fact, there are over 40 different species of crows found throughout the world. They can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. Number 4. Poison detectors. Crows are highly resistant to snake venom. This is due to a mutation in the gene that makes them insensitive to the pain that the venom causes. This means that crows can mob snakes without being afraid of being poisoned. They will attack snakes that are venomous and even eat them. This behavior helps to control the snake population in areas where crows live. No. 3. Born to run. Crows are fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. This allows them to escape from predators such as foxes and eagles. Crows are also good jumpers and can fly up to 60 miles per hour. This makes them difficult prey to catch. Number 2. Safety in numbers. As we mentioned earlier, crows are social animals who live in groups called murders. Being in a murder gives them several advantages, such as being able to find food more easily and protect each other from predators. When a crow is mobbed by a predator, other crows will often join in to help defend it. Number 1. Mirror. One of the most amazing things about crows is their ability to recognize themselves in the mirror. This is a sign of self-awareness, which is rare in animals. Only a few other animals, such as chimpanzees and dolphins, have been shown to have this ability. Scientists believe that crows develop self-awareness when they are young. They will look at their reflection and try to figure out what it is. Once they realize that it is themselves, they will start to act differently. For example, they will try to preen their feathers or adjust their clothing. Now, it's time to take a quiz and test your knowledge. Which animal did the crow drop the stick in the water to see if it would float? A. Dog. B. Human. C. Cats. D. None of the above. Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. The correct answer is D. None of the above. The crow dropped the stick in the water to see if it would float, not to check if any other animals were around. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comment section below! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about these amazing creatures.